Sorry guys for what happened. So let's continue with this video. I'm saying Euro USD like respected this support level one, two, like twice, and then it breaks out. Currently this on the daily chart where the market is currently, it made a false breakout, so anticipating that this market will go up, like it will go like from here, it will go up. The good part is possible third touch formation. That's what the market is making currently. And also that if you zoom, if you just check nicely, this kind of a double W, so it's a double bottom pattern that I'm anticipating it will buy. So yeah, let's see how it will play out. This is my small baby real account. So let's see, I made some losses and withdrawals. Like I made losses, like I just close this and then withdraw the 960 something for something. I, like I had to use it, then I deposited back like 1000. So let's see how it will play out. This is your boy Sindano Nasdaq speaking, signing out.